Hi friends, I'm back again. We're gonna work on how to secure a Hoyer sling to a Hoyer lift. Now we're going to assume that the sling is already under the student or the patient. Maybe they're under sitting in a wheelchair. We are going to make sure that the label is on the top towards the head, and there's not another label, so as long as the label's on the top towards the head, we're doing okay. Now, if we're going from sitting, we want to make sure we have the sky is blue, so the blue tabs that are on the head, or on the head side, would be the tabs that get secured, okay? And now, if we're going from sitting to sitting, the grass is green, the sky is blue, green goes on the bottom, and blue goes on the top. So now we have our friend in here and we're ready to move them, let's say from chair to another, maybe Riften activity chair. We're gonna keep sky is blue, grass is green. Now if our student was laying on a mat, going from mat to sitting, then we would definitely want to use the sky is blue, the grass is green, because that brings them into more of a sitting position. So from lying to sitting, from sitting to sitting, we're gonna do blue on top, green on the bottom. If we're gonna go from lying to lying, or maybe even sitting to lying down, we're gonna just make sure that both of our loops are on the same color. So they can both be on green, or they can both, and by both I mean both sets be on blue or both sets be on green. And you can see what that does is it puts them in more of a laying position with the feet up, the head and the feet are sort of dropped down now at the same angle.